Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Drive to PandaDoc. All right, you actually have two options. Connect Google Drive to your PandaDoc account or connect PandaDoc to your Google Drive account. So first up, PandaDoc. If you just want to connect it, like you want to upload a file or photo or any other contents, you can just go ahead and go to Documents. Okay, for example, you're under here on your draft. You can now go ahead and click on this content plus icon. Now maybe you're going to add in some video or image like so. Click to upload. Right here we have Google Drive. Okay, just click on Google Drive and wait for the connect button to pop up. Connect it, sign in with your Google Drive account. Hit on continue. And once done, your Google Drive's files will be in here. Okay, you can just easily select from these folders and files. Now another option, go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left, click on integrations. Now go ahead and find Google Workspace, okay? Right here at the very bottom. Click on it. Now click on install. And unfortunately, it doesn't work in my region, but yours might be different, okay? Just follow the simple prompts. It will just ask you to sign in with your Google account. And once done, you're good to go. Now, under Google Drive, right here, just go ahead over to the right panel. Click on the plus sign, which says Get Add-ons, okay? At the top, go ahead and find PandaDoc. Hit on enter, wait for it to load. And once it loads, if you can find PandaDoc right here, if it's available in your region, just go ahead and install it. And once done, you're good to go. Now, if PandaDoc isn't available for you here as well, don't worry, we'll still have another option. Click on the plus sign. Now go ahead and go to zapier.com. Hit on enter, wait for the website to load. And once it loads, if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and create one. It's totally free, okay? Go to the top left, click on create. Now click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you gotta select a trigger event. Okay. For example, you'd like Google Drive as your trigger event. Okay. Look for Google Drive, click on it, and just sign in with your Google Drive account. Once done, click on the trigger event. Now, for example, there is a new file in your Google Drive account. Okay. Hit on continue. Select the drive, my Google Drive, hit on continue, and just test the trigger. If you got a check mark right here, that means that it is successfully connected. Just close this one. Now go ahead and select an action. Choose PandaDoc, like so. Click on it. Now sign in with your PandaDoc account. Go ahead and choose an action event, okay? So, for example, there's a new file to your Google Drive account. You can go ahead and choose what event will happen here under your PandaDoc account. For example, create attachment, create contact, create document, create or update contact, or find a document, okay? Just for this example, I'm going to be using create a document, okay? Hit on continue. Configure document name. Don't worry, this is just for testing, okay? For example, I'm going to be creating new file upload from PandaDoc. Okay, template, choose a template from your PandaDoc account. For example, job offer right here. Scroll down, enter a candidate email, for example, example.com. Then recruiter email, for example, your own email, like so. And once that's done, just hit on continue. Test this step, wait for it, and just wait for the check mark. Now, once you got the check mark, you can now go ahead and hit on publish, okay? Hit on publish, and once you hit on publish, everything right here will go online and will be automated. You don't have to do anything, okay? Again, whenever this trigger event happens, whenever there's a new file on your Google Drive, PandaDoc right here will automatically create a document, okay? Again, once you hit on publish, you can now go ahead and close this one. Check the test document right here under your inbox. And as you can see, we have an untitled document. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.